Hello guys, how are you all doing? Today I'm going to make different types of colorful birds using colored computer paper. It's going to be a fun and creative craft session, so let's get started. First of all, I'm going to make this bird and show you the whole process step by step. Let's see how it turns out. So I have 4 different colored computer papers with me. I think I should choose the blue one for this bird. It looks bright, colorful, and perfect for the design I have in mind. Let's use the blue paper and see how beautiful our bird turns out. First, cut the paper according to the size of the bird you want to make. I'm going to cut mine to the perfect size and then we'll move on to the next step. First, fold the paper in half lengthwise and make a neat crease. Once that's done, we can move on to shaping our bird. Now I've drawn the bird's shape on the paper and it's finally time for the fun part, cutting it out. Let's carefully cut along the outline and see our bird start to take shape. Make sure to cut slowly and neatly for the best result. Now use any orange marker to draw the bird's beak. For the eyes, use a black marker to make them stand out nicely. I'm using acrylic markers for this part because they give a bold and vibrant look. And for the final highlights, use a white acrylic marker to add those little details that make the bird look even more lively and realistic. While I finish making this little bird, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and become a part of our growing creative family. Your support means a lot and motivates me to bring more fun art and craft videos for you. So hit that subscribe button and join the journey. Alright guys, it's time to make our second bird. This one is a little chubby and extra cute. I already love how it looks. And guys, watch this, a little magic trick. I'm going to place this sheet over the bird, and as soon as I lift it, the bird will disappear. Ready? 3, 2, 1, ta-da! Looks like our little bird has magically vanished. Well, our bird has magically disappeared. Now let's move on to our next craft. I'm using a red sheet and I've already cut it into a 12 by 12 size to save some time. The next step is simple. Fold the paper in every possible direction. Fold it in half, unfold it, then fold it the other way as well. This will create guidelines and make the upcoming steps much easier. Take your time and make the folds nice and neat because a good foundation always leads to a better craft. Watch closely and follow the way I'm folding the paper in the video. If any step seems confusing, don't worry. Just rewind the video and watch that part again. Take it one step at a time and you'll get it. Keep following along and soon you'll have the same shape ready to go. Great, our red bird is finally ready. Now let's bring it to life by adding some details. Use an orange marker to draw the beak and a black marker for the eyes. These small details make a huge difference and give the bird its own personality. Let's finish it off and see how cute it looks. Alright guys, it's time for another magic trick. Now I'm going to make these birds disappear once again. Do you think the magic will work this time? Let's cover them up. Wave our magic hand when, ta-da! The birds have magically disappeared. Oh wow, what just happened? The other birds disappeared just as planned. But wait a second, where did this new bird come from? Looks like the magic trick worked a little too well. Well, I guess we have no choice now. We'll have to make this bird too. Come on, let's get started and see how this one turns out. Alright, to make this new bird, I'm going to cut a piece of computer paper into a 15 by 15 square. I've chosen this size because it's perfect for the design we're making, and it will give the bird a nice shape when we're done. Once the paper is ready, we can move on to the folding part and start bringing our new little bird to life. Now fold the paper exactly the way I'm doing it in the video. Watch each step carefully and follow along with me. Don't rush, take your time and make neat folds for the best result. And if you miss a step or get confused, simply rewind the video and watch it again. You'll get it in no time. let's bring this to life using markers. We'll start drawing the details step by step so the bird looks colorful and beautiful. Just follow along with the video and you'll see how it turns out in the end. So guys, tell me in the comments, out of all these birds, which one did you like the most? And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel for more creative and fun content. Alright guys, that's it for today. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!